Online students, am I audible to you? Just write yes in comment. Okay, fine. My name is Amit Garg. I will take quant, reasoning, DI, or you can say statement-based questions, especially that is data sufficiency part. So I will take that area with you. ये डली हुई है इसमें 2023 वाला. Today is our first class, so that's like introductory class. We will have idea about CSET. Okay. Changing trend in CSET. What will be our strategy? Okay. So we have 2023 topic-wise analysis with us. Okay. ठीक बेटा. अच्छा, and it is two way, not one way. अगर अपना डर नहीं बताएंगे तो मैं कैसे समझूंगा? तो you have to share with me. How many of you have already given attempt of UPSC? Just raise your hand. काफी है यूपीएससी के सताए हुए. Online student, they write yes in the comment if you have already given the attempt. Now, how many of you are going to give first attempt in 2024? कम है. 2025 first attempt. Now here, in 2023, number system around 24-25 question. Like here, you have got handout. And for online student, we have uploaded this in the content section. Material section में मिलेगा आपको. तो number system, nearly 24-25 question. Because this basic numeracy is also a part of number system. The next is analytical reasoning, 4 question. I will tell you what is that analytical reasoning. P&C 8 question. Coloring of cube, cuboid 2 question. I will compare with last year also. Okay. Like from last 3 year, I will say, including 2023, they're asking more question from number system. Like 15, 16 around 2021, then 16, 17 around in 2022. We expected good question, but not 24, 25. I was expecting around 18 question from number system, but they were asked more question. Now here, permutation combination, yes. Like from last 3 year, from 3-4 question, they come up with 7-8 question in 2022 also. This year there were 8 to 9 question from permutation combination. But what is the change I have seen? Earlier, out of 8 question, 3 question easy, 2-3 question moderate, 2-3 question difficult. This time they have not asked any easy question from permutation combination. Either moderate or difficult question from permutation combination has been asked by UPSC to increase the difficulty level of complete paper. But whereas this topic, if you see coding, decoding, number series, character puzzle, continuous series. Like here, like before this changing pattern also, or from 2011 onward, I can say here the weightage of this topic is 4 to 5 question. like earlier when like CSET was that popular, like that has been included in your mains merit when CSET was not qualifying paper. Then also around 4 or 5 questions from this topic. Then next stage is when CSET become like here qualifying paper, and like many students they start treating like CSET like okay just 1 week time then they will qualify easily, and even that has created the problem for us. जो बदतमीजी हमने सीसेट के साथ की उन दिनों में, दैट्स वाई लाइक यूपीएससी दे वांट ए रिस्पेक्ट फॉर सीसेट पेपर, क्योंकि उनको भी पता चल गया भैया 1 हफ्ता पढ़ के जा रहे हैं लोग, सो दैट्स वाई, बट अब ज्यादा हो गया 2023 का वैसे. बट हियर दिस टॉपिक 4 to 5 क्वेश्चन starting from 2011 every year we have 4 to 5 questions from this topic every year. Next is number ranking sequence, 1 question. Blood relation they have asked 1 question. This is general mental ability, counting of square, counting of triangle type of thing, 1 question. Like those who have already given attempt, they might have be familiar with this topic name. Those who will appear next year or maybe next to next year, maybe you are not familiar with some of the topic name, but don't worry. Next is time and work. They have asked 1 question. Venn diagram 1 question. Problem on age is 1 question. Calendar 1 question. Compound interest. Yes, this year they have asked 1 question. True and false. In 2023 only they asked 2 questions on true and false. Otherwise, from 2011 to 2022 they have not asked any question from this true and false. और like student they used to think that a critical reasoning का एक topic है syllogism, 2 questions, and that is a favorite topic of student. And many student what they have done in prelims exam, they flip the pages, syllogism ढूंढते रह गए, नहीं मिला. उसकी जगह we got this true and false 2 question this time. Now next is reading comprehension, 25 to 27 question. That is like fixed, 25 to 27 question every year they ask from reading comprehension. Next important thing is this statement based question, and that is really important also. I'm not happy with number system, they're asking 25 26 question as a aptitude teacher, but I'm happy with the statement based questions. These are really good questions to check the conceptual clarity of student. I respect UPSC for this. Like what a wonderful questions they are making on statement based question, and here you can check the actual conceptual clarity of student if they are asking statement based question. According to me, paper was unbalanced because percentage, profit and loss, there are n number of topics, they are not asked a single question. And we expected like without percentage aptitude is meaningless according to me. Like their concern is after your selection you be district collector, DM, and you have to analyze the report of your district. Tell me any report without a use of percentage. I have never seen. There will be percentage, this much percentage are women, this percentage are like this section of society and all. Percentage will be there for sure. But not a single question in 2023 based on percentage. There was a question, but that is of permutation combination, not percentage. 99% wala jo question tha. That is not percentage, permutation combination question. That's why I felt like here, this year paper was bit unbalanced because of they have ignored one of the strongest pillar of aptitude, which is percentage. It has to be there. In aptitude paper, percentage has to be there. Anyways, so what is our idea for 2024? We will work on dual approach. Okay. This dual approach is, one is based on 2023, where I will say 3 darling topic of UPSC. नंबर सिस्टम, मतलब प्यार अच्छी चीज है बट इतना ज्यादा हो गया. नंबर सिस्टम, स्टेटमेंट बेस्ड क्वेश्चन, परमुटेशन कॉम्बिनेशन. एंड सेकंड अप्रोच इज ए बैलेंस पेपर. That's why UPSC is known as Unpredictable Service Commission. I tell you the fact, this year all the coaching, they do R&D on number system, PNC and statement based question. I got intuition about this. मतलब कई बार ठीक है चलते चलते क्लिक हो जाता है. तो I got this click in my mind that what they are doing UPSC, they are following coaching material, they are following YouTube. They were impressed by the elimination technique. That's why they eliminated that. Thanks to our YouTuber. Same will happen. May happen, may not happen. मैं एक assumption लेके चल रहा हूँ. Every coaching, they will come up with material on number system, statement based question and P and C. We never know UPSC कब यू टर्न ले ले. अच्छा नंबर सिस्टम पे क्वेश्चन बन रहा है मार्केट में, लो जी 5 क्वेश्चन परसेंटेज के, they can do any time. So here, like what happened now, we have to double effort in the sense we have to do each and every topic, plus we have to see the changing trend. And like I tell you, whenever I get time, I meet number of students before prelims, after result also. I think I met more than 1,000 students. And I give time also. उनको सुनता हूँ. Then there was a girl done coaching from somewhere else, but her point was, sir, मैंने क्या कमी की? I have prepared all the things. Then one thing strike to my mind, that what we have done, we have not done adequate practice for some of the topic. Statement based question, we call it as data sufficiency. Believe me, all of us have that thing in the list priority. वो हमारी last preference है. Believe me, we prefer कि like अगर chance मिले तो we will skip statement based question. If there is a compulsion, then we will see in the last. तब तक टाइम निकल लेता है. 15-20 मिनट में कहाँ स्टेटमेंट बेस्ड क्वेश्चन कर पाएंगे? नंगा नहाएगा क्या, निचोड़ेगा क्या? और इतना पैनिक हो रहा है, गर्मी इतनी है भाई. दिसंबर में करा लो आप प्रीलिम्स एग्जाम, पहले सी सेट करा लो, फिर जीएस करा लो. बट वो कॉन्स्टिट्यूशनल बॉडी नहीं सुनेंगे भाई. इफ दे कंडक्ट सी सेट पेपर फ्रॉम 9:30 to 11:30, GS 2:30 to 4:30, believe me, 10% student automatically they will qualify this C set without coaching also. Because the very first paper you have 100% energy. How it is a fair competition? With 50% of energy you expect us that we will give a difficult paper of CSET. Anyways, we have to face it. So the point here is, तो like I was interacting with that girl. गर्ल का बढ़िया था, बोली कि मैंने इतने सारे टेस्ट दिए, आई हैव डन कोचिंग फ्रॉम दैट इंस्टीट्यूट. ओके, कोचिंग की ठीक है, एप्टीट्यूड से, मेरे से कहीं से की. हर पॉइंट इज कि मेरी कहाँ कमी रही. देन आई रियलाइज वन पॉइंट, that we are not doing adequate practice on statement based question, we are not doing adequate practice on number system and permutation combination, and which are the darling topic of UPSC. So then I come up with one solution, and which we are going to implement for this year batches, which is required also, which is must. कोई लड़ रहा है क्या? One is to 50 ratio. I tell you what is this. We will take on an average 16 question from statement based question. So multiply with 50, we will practice 800 question on data sufficiency or statement based question before our prelims exam. Now you, all of you, think about this. If you practice 800 question on statement based question, कुछ तो हाथ साफ होगा ना. कहते ना हाथ साफ हो गया. We will be comfortable with that. डर निकल जाएगा. Similarly, number system, I'm taking weightage 20 question. Multiply with 50,000 question we will practice for sure. Permutation combination 8 question. Multiply with 50, 400 question. Okay? Before our prelims exam, we will do. Now here I tell you, I don't know what they have promised. Okay? But whatever they have promised, believe me, you will get all the things, and sometime I make some changes also in between, तो वो भी implement होगा. मैं आपको स्टाइल बता देता हूँ क्या करने वाले हैं इस बार. Anyone having like that idea कि like they will attend my classes 50 60 and will qualify CSET? ऐसा कुछ सोच के तो नहीं आए ना भाई. मेरी क्लासेस से CSET नहीं होएगा, आपको भी बराबर की मेहनत करनी पड़ेगी. पहली क्लास में चिल्ला के बोल रहा हूँ. इट इज लाइक ए स्पोर्ट्स. कोच का काम है आपको टेक्निक बता दी, यू हैव टू प्रैक्टिस दैट. CSET इज अबाउट प्रैक्टिस. until unless you practice question, until unless you use the short trick which I'm going to teach you, until unless the concept which I'm going to teach you in the classes you will practice, that will remain my concept, not yours. वो मेरा है, आपका नहीं है. आपको बाली बनना होगा. You have to make my concept your concept, and for that only the thing you have to do, you have to practice. So I tell you, there are some changes we have made and which is required also in the changing trend of CSET. Yes. Starting 3 classes, I will take very basic, because many students, they have left mathematics after 10th standard. We will take care of the blur video and all, don't worry. Okay. So first 3 classes will be very basic. I will brief you about that idea also. Then in our course, we have nearly 60 classes. And I divide 60 classes in 3 parts. We will maintain a flow. First month, we will take basic topic, easy topic, so that we have interest in mathematics. So that जो अपनी गाड़ी रुकी है, we will start that, we will win momentum. Second month, we will do moderate topic. Third month, difficult. P and C, some topic of number system, data sufficiency. Okay, we will do in the third month. Next is, in this third month, your test series will start. It is already included in foundation course. Don't worry, you have paid for that. We are not going to charge extra thing for that. But don't give a treatment of like chutney you get with samosa. यही होता है टेस्ट सीरीज को. like you consider you are getting free with this foundation course, so here student, they don't respect my test series. You have to respect it. It is very important. And believe me, we are charging 5,000. last year so we have charged 8,000. We are charging 5,000 because we have reduced number of tests in that. And student, they are buying by paying 5,000 rupees for test series. ठीक है, वो 5,000 रुपए की चीज है जो आप इग्नोर करोगे. 5,000 रुपए. ठीक है, पैसों की समझ में अगर वैल्यू समझ में आते हैं ना, कईयों को वैल्यू समझाने के लिए रुपीस के टर्म में क्वांटिफाई करना पड़ता है. ठीक है, 5,000 रुपए. 1 year cost. Tell me what is 1 year cost in old Rajendra Nagar? कितना रेंट पे कर रहे हो? 20,000, 18-20,000, 2,40,000 तो ये हो गया. खाना पीना 5 लाख रुपए लग रहा है. ठीक है, 1 साल की कॉस्ट 5 लाख, नेगेटिविटी अलग से. तो टेस्ट सीरीज नहीं मिस करना. फैक्ट है, दिस इज फैक्ट. लैंडलॉर्ड्स आर सो फ्रेंडली है. ब्रोकर्स अपना ही रूम चढ़ा के उस पर ब्रोकरेज ले रहे हैं. What is the rent for the kitchen here now? 7,000-8,000. किचन में भी लोग रहते हैं. हाँ, नहीं पता. उसका स्लैब है, उस पर गद्दा लगाया हुआ है. Not this 2011 I have seen. अब तो और बुरा हाल हो गया होगा. Anyways, last month, third month, we will start our test series. There are 10 sectional tests plus 8 full length tests. Acha, what I have introduced one thing, home assignment and class test. I don't know how they will manage, but they have to do. My staff, I'm asking. So daily I will give you home assignment. We will have Excel sheet. You have to show your home assignment. We will track it. There will be a staff over here. So you have to tell your name, email ID. He will put yes, date wise. We will track your home assignment. Online students also, we will create a Telegram group and we will share one email ID with you. But you have to give us 3-4 days time. 3-4 दिन सिर्फ basic होगा. From next Monday we will start all this thing. Home assignment, and every class there will be test. This is new thing which I have started this year. 1 hour 45 minutes I will teach. On the same topic, you will get a handout. We'll have 6 to 10 questions. You will be given 10-minute class test. Immediately after that class test, I will tell you the answer key of the test. Then I explain question of the test. Then there will be doubt session. And number of students, they have met me, sir, doubt. This is my promise to all of you. Not from this year, I'm saying I'm implementing this thing. From 2011 onward, I have one quality in me. I will say, ठीक है, ये अच्छी quality है, काफी सारी बुरी भी है. I teach. After lecture is over, I ask those who don't have any doubt, they can leave the class. Those who have doubt, they can stay here. So then 20-30 students, they wait. Then I take their group doubts. After that they left, then 2-3 students will be there. I will be last who will leave the class. Will it be fine? यही है ना? आपसे पहले नहीं जाऊंगा क्लास से. कभी इमरजेंसी है, दैट इज डिफरेंट केस. ऑनलाइन स्टूडेंट्स ऑल्सो, आई विल टेक केयर ऑफ ऑल योर डाउट्स. ठीक है, 7:30 हो या 8 बज जाए, दैट इज नॉट माई कंसर्न. ठीक है. सो वी हैव होम असाइनमेंट, वी हैव क्लास टेस्ट. You have to give class test, yes. Then in the 3rd month, we will start our test series. There will be 10 sectional tests, 8 fuller test. Yeah. It will go till April, 28th April, I think last test. आपको brochure मिला होगा offline students को. Now next thing is, in the month of January, where like you will be familiar with CSET, you will have a decent knowledge of CSET. Then we will do kabaddi, and that is important actually. आप ये सोच रहे होंगे ना यहाँ से रिजल्ट आएगा, नहीं आएगा. मैं खुद चिल्ला के बोल रहा हूँ, यहाँ से रिजल्ट नहीं आएगा. यहाँ से 10-15 नंबर बढ़ेंगे. बोलूंगा नहीं, there are n number of students, they have already seen my lecture somewhere else. ठीक है. रिजल्ट इस मेहनत से और मेहनत से आएगा. तो यहाँ 10 से 15 नंबर बढ़ेंगे पक्का. फिर 10 से 15 नंबर, 10 to 15 नंबर गेन यू विल गेट विद दिस टेस्ट, विद प्रॉपर एनालिसिस. आई विल डिस्कस एनालिसिस कैसे करना है, क्या है. एंड दिस टाइम वी हैव वन मोर चेंज ऑल्सो. दिस टाइम आई एम इन टॉक विद सम सॉफ्टवेयर डेवलपर एंड ऑल. आई विल हैव ट्रैक ऑफ योर टेस्ट सीरीज. स्टूडेंट ने मुझे काफी बेवकूफ बना लिया अब तक. मेरे पास आते थे, आई यूज्ड टू आस्क देम कितने टेस्ट दिए, कहते थे 15, दिए होते 2. Now here I will ask your email ID or mobile number whenever you will interact with me. Then on my system I will have track of your test, how many tests you have given, with detailed analysis we will have. And you will also get the access to that portal where you can have analysis of your test also, where you can see where is the scope for improvement, and where you can improve it. Next important thing is, like I always ask in my first class, how you come to know about my CSET classes? स्टूडेंट से, फ्रेंड से, यूट्यूब से, पोस्टर से. सिर्फ पोस्टर से एडमिशन लिया आपने देख के? ओके. क्योंकि मुझे पता है लाइक दैट एडवर्टीजमेंट इज द वर्स्ट, मैंने कहीं पढ़ा था, मोड ऑफ मार्केटिंग. न्यूज़पेपर एडवर्टीजमेंट हो गया, पोस्ट हो गया, कोई नहीं एडमिशन लेता पोस्टर देख के. 10 कोचिंग के पोस्टर लगाता है. यू माइट हैव हर्ड समवेयर, ठीक है, कहीं सुना होगा यार दोस्त से, कभी सीनियर ने बताया होगा, कोई फ्रेंड कर चुका होगा ऑलरेडी. तो दोज हु हैव डन लास्ट टू लास्ट ईयर, ये भी एक एक्सपेरिमेंट से चीज निकली थी. लास्ट टू लास्ट ईयर व्हेन आई वाज टेकिंग माय सीसेट कोर्सेस, तो I was thinking like यार there are so many students, they have taken admission, but with their body language I came to know like no, like the changing pattern of CSAT or the CSAT they will not able to manage. Then I thought what I have to do now. I had interaction with one of my student. Okay. So then somehow I come up with one idea that when I have to solve question, I put myself as a student कि मुझे क्या मैं क्या करता हूं. So then I realized like conventional method I avoid. I used to solve question with answer options, by putting value, by manually, by assumption, different technique I used to follow, and I'm able to solve question. Then it was a vague idea. I was confused how to convert that in a lecture form. Then I have taken 15 days. I was absent from my institute. I used to take classes. कहीं लाइब्रेरी में बैठ के एज ए स्टूडेंट बैठा होता था, टोपी पहन के चुपके से अपना काम कर रहा होता था, फोन साइलेंट मोड. तो आई हैव टेकन 15 days. Then I structured this thought in my lecture form. Then I come up with the idea. I call this as theme-based lecture. Last to last year, I have taken only 3 theme-based lecture. Last year, I have taken 8. And I got really a good feedback from students also. They told me after the results, sir, theme-based lecture helped us a lot. I have qualified because of test, theme-based lecture. Okay. So now this year, I will take minimum 12 theme-based lectures, which are very, very important. Very, very important. Going to be game changer, going to be score booster, जो बोलना है बोल लो आप. But these are going to be very, very important for our CSAT. Next is अपनी test series चलती रहेगी. Then there will be doubt. Every 15 days for sure there will be doubt session. If it is required to take more doubt session, we can increase the frequency of the doubt sessions. अच्छा, one more thing. In the month of January, I will give you a question bank of 500 to 700 questions. Mainly statement based question, number system, permutation combination, and mix. I give you 15 days time. क्योंकि आपकी क्लासेस तो ओवर हो चुकी होगी तब तक. Okay, I will give you 15 days time. Then your doubt will be there. Then we will do कि 2 days doubt session रखेंगे उसके ऊपर. Whatever doubt you have on this 500 to 700 question, we will have discussion. Then we will be in a stage of kabaddi and discussion, where you know all the things, where you have to tell me, not only me, you have to teach me, sir इसमें ये तरीका भी use हो सकता है. Then I try my best to think, हाँ ठीक है, हर जगह fit हो रहा है, any problem with this concept लगेगा तो I will tell you, no, there is this conceptual problem with your method. If I find your method is wonderful, I will say, okay, go ahead. You have to explore, you have to think, रटना नहीं है. Believe me, if you will cram mathematics, mathematics will cram you. ठीक है, मैथ नहीं रटना है. ऑनलाइन स्टूडेंट थांबा, आपके जितने डाउट हैं अभी 15-20 मिनट फ्लो में हो यार. गला भी खींच रहा है, मतलब इतनी बढ़िया स्पीच दे रहा हूं. ठीक है जी. इन द मंथ ऑफ मार्च ऑल्सो आई विल गिव यू 500 to 700 क्वेश्चन. Deliberately I'm giving this question late, January and March, because if anything get popular in ORN market, यूपीएससी वाले आते हैं बोरा लेके, मटेरियल भर के लेके जाते हैं, और दे अवॉइड. एंड कीप दैट मटेरियल विद यू ओनली, डोंट स्प्रेड. ठीक है, मैं नहीं चाहता कि हमारी मेहनत वेस्ट हो किसी भी तरीके से. ओके, वी नीड रिजल्ट. अगर वो चीज पॉपुलर हो गई तो चांसेस दैट देयर विल बी लेस क्वेश्चन फ्रॉम दिस क्वेश्चन बैंक. Otherwise, this question bank is going to be wonderful, will help you for sure. ठीक है, ये चीज ध्यान रखना. मार्च वाला क्या है, फेमस होगा भी तब तक मई हो चुका होगा, अपना काम बन जाएगा. That's why deliberately in the month of March I will give you 500 to 700 क्वेश्चन. Deliberately I kept that date. मैं पहले भी बना सकता था, दे सकता था, but that is the main reason. ये ना हो कि हमारी मेहनत वेस्ट हो जाए किसी वजह से. Okay, so this is our idea. Next is I categorize student in 3 category. Many of you already know. Those who don't know, category 1, category 2, category 3 student. Okay. Either you identify where you stand. If you will face problem, I will help you. Category 1 student, they are not comfortable in basic. Although they claim they left mathematics after 10th standard, but my experience is they left mathematics after 6th standard itself. Okay. Anyhow, they managed to pass either with the help of the friend or Gandhi ji. 10वीं तक तो मैथ पढ़ना पड़ता है ना. I think there is no board where like you can leave the mathematics early. But now they are coming with some vocational and all at the 6th, 7th standard also. That will destroy the system. Now here, I tell you the fact. Category 1 student. आज से, from today onwards, in your life, till you are preparing for UPSC, you have only 20 hours. आपके 4 घंटे मैं लेने वाला हूं. मैं मतलब सी सेट. अगर आप शादी भी कर रहे हो, 4 घंटे सी सेट पढ़ना है पहले आप. And one more fact I tell you, I have seen student in 2021-22 because of coaching plus because of their hard work. सिर्फ कोचिंग से कोई आईएएस नहीं बन सकता. फैक्ट है. अगर बता दो कोई कोचिंग क्लेम कर दे आईएएस बना दे, मेरे पास 50 लाख रुपए रखे हैं, मेरे गांव से 10 बंदे हैं, मैं भेजूंगा, मैं एडमिशन कराऊंगा. कोचिंग विल हेल्प यू, द रेस्ट यू हैव टू डू योर वर्क. कोई कोचिंग 20% हेल्प करेगी, कोई 30, कोई 40%. दिस इज फैक्ट, दिस इज रियलिटी. So in 2021-22, some of the category 1 student, because of coaching plus because of their hard work, they qualified CSET. अब उनको फीलिंग आ गई मैं ही भगवान हूं. नेक्स्ट ईयर सिर्फ 10 दिन CSET पढ़ के गए, फेल. You are like Rahul Gandhi of politics. But it doesn't mean कि राहुल गांधी PM नहीं बन सकता. The work he has done as like in Bharat Jodo Yatra, if he will continue that type of effort in future, he can be PM also. Same thing you have to do. See here, see this is like some skill. Some people they are good in math, some people they are good in English, some people they are good in both, whereas there are some people they are not good in neither math nor English. But it doesn't mean you will not qualify. You will qualify. But once you qualify, it doesn't mean you get a certificate from UPSC that you are CSET master now. Every year you have qualified because of your hard work. Category 1 student, ध्यान से सुन लेना. That every year you have to put same effort. आपका वो हाल है कि आप मेहनत करके ऊपर चढ़े, फिर आप स्लिप डाउन कर रहे हो. Because we are not comfortable in mathematics. And if you keep a gap of 2 months, 3 months, math आपके लिए वो राक्षस है, डरावना राक्षस. You will not able to manage. So daily 4 hour category 1 student you have to give to CSET. We will start with basic. For you people, especially I started this 3 classes where it is very basic. I will give you homework from NCERT or ICSE board. See here. Either you can purchase NCERT books 6th, 7th, 8th, but ICSE better है. ठीक है? If you have purchased then okay, then don't waste money. ICSE board का 6th standard, 7th standard, 8th standard. Some of the PDF we will share with you percentage and ratio and proportion. Now here from this, And I tell you one more fact. 99% student, they are doing one mistake. Like the way they are doing their preparation make flow hai. When I interact with students, they say, sir, I have read Lakshmikant from first page to last page. I have read this, Vipin Chandra. I have read this. I have read NCERT 6 to 12. And believe me, when you read 6 to 12th NCERT, all of you, what you do, you take 6 NCERT, you read chapter 1 to last chapter, then you take 7th NCERT, you read all the chapter, 8th NCERT, you read all the chapter. See here, NCERT is going to help you, but it is not an exam of your NCERT. Syllabus is important. जो गलती कर चुके, that is not, and I will not say mistake, that will help you, but now you have to prepare in a structured way. You keep syllabus with you. Like in geography, we have earthquake. You read earthquake from NCERT. You read earthquake immediately after that from GC Leong. You read earthquake from your coaching material. You read earthquake from any other material. Don't prepare 6th NCERT geography. You prepare earthquake from that. Question earthquake se aayega. Volcanism, similarly. Same here, when I ask 6th, 7th NCERT, they start preparing from first page to last page. 6th, 7th, 8th. I tell you, and tell me, like that is a logical or not. You take 6th NCERT, read chapter related to number system from 6th NCERT. Then don't read any other chapter. Then take 7th NCERT or ICSE board, you read number system only from 7th standard. Then you read number system only from the 8th standard. Then you get wonderful layers of number system. You will have wonderful conceptual clarity on number system. So here, today onward, make it a rule. If you are covering your polity, geography, or any of the subject, don't read any of the book cover to cover. You have to refer your syllabus, like fundamental right karna aapne. You read NCERT fundamental right. Then you read Lakshmikant fundamental right. Then you refer your coaching. Then you will have wonderful conceptual clarity on fundamental right. Fundamental right is important rather than like here, any book. So here, NCERT or ICSE, I prefer this. Second preference is this, 6, 7, 8. 4 basic chapter we have, number system. Percentage. Ratio and proportion. Average. In NCERT, you get content related to number system only. Percentage, ratio, proportion, average, you hardly get any content. But in ICSE board book, you will get basic content on this. Number system, percentage, ratio. अभी एक ऑनलाइन का डाउट आया, सर ये 4 घंटे क्लास को मिला के बोले हैं कि उसके अलावा बोले? डिपेंड करता है आपकी कैटेगरी पे. होता है ना मिडिल क्लास में लोअर मिडिल क्लास की अपर मिडिल क्लास, तो कैटेगरी 1 में भी डिसाइड करता है कि आप कैटेगरी 1 में किस तरफ हो. अगर कैटेगरी 1 में आप इस तरफ हो तो देन इट इज इंक्लूडिंग क्लास. अगर आप इस तरफ हो फिर तो दिन को 2 भाग में डिवाइड करो. 4 आर इन फर्स्ट हाफ और फर्स्ट हाफ, 4 आर इन सेकेंड हाफ. डिपेंड अब कैटेगरी 1 में भी कहा. Anyways, whatever classes we will do, you have to attend all the classes. Don't treat my classes like gym membership where you pay for 1 year, then after 1 week bye bye tata see you. मुझे रिजल्ट चाहिए भाई. देखो मैं सबसे बढ़िया मार्केटिंग करता हूँ. मुझे एक एक बच्चा ऐसा रिजल्ट चाहिए 10-10 बच्चे लेके आए आप यहाँ. वो आएगा रिजल्ट से, सीधी सी बात है. मैं आपके साथ खड़ा हूँ 26 मई तक, उसके बाद भी हो, लेकिन मुझे चाहिए कि 26 मई को आप बोलो हाँ सर मजा आ गया. आई एम विद यू. ठीक है, वट एवर डाउट यू हैव यू आस्क मी. सम स्टूडेंट दे से सर आई हैव ए सिली डाउट. ठीक है, आपको क्लासरूम में शर्म आए पूछने में वो अलग चीज है, बिकॉज वी हैव बोथ जेंडर पीपल है, मेल फीमेल. इंप्रेशन खराब ना हो, बट आई डोंट माइंड, मुझे फर्क नहीं पड़ता। हाँ, बट वी है कि क्लास का थोड़ा सा मोमेंटम ना बिगड़े, इसलिए व्हाट आई डू, व्हेन आई कंप्लीट वन टॉपिक देन आई आस्क यू वट एवर डाउट यू हैव आफ्टर द क्लास, यू कैन आस्क मी एनी डाउट, ठीक है, एनी silly doubt also, any doubt even from 6th standard also, you ask me, don't worry about it. So here you have to do this basic. I will help you out with 3 classes. You have to attend all the classes including English, okay? I tell you, in CSET, if you say I'm very good in math, only based on math I will qualify CSET. कुछ IITian रुक गए इस साल सिर्फ मैथ के भरोसे, because they tried only mathematics part, and that question was like 7-8 minute, some question required 7-8 minute, 3-4 minute, so they were not able to manage. And only English, only 27 question, out of that there is subjectivity, you will get 20 correct or 22 correct, still you need 30 marks from math theory. I will tell you, एक एनालिसिस से बताता हूँ क्या करना आपका. Then you have to give all the tests, you have to attend theme based classes, and that 2 booklet which I'm going to give in January and March, you have to attempt each and every question. Now category 2 student, those are comfortable in basic but only basic, ठीक है, तो आपको डेली एवरेज 3 आवर मान के चल लो देना पड़ेगा फॉर CSET. आई विल इंक्रीज दिस टाइम इन द मंथ ऑफ जनवरी फेब, बट तब तक 3 आवर्स मान के चलो. Category 3 student comfortable in basic, they are able to solve question but still facing problem to qualify CSET because the difficulty level has been increased, and main thing is statement based question is the main problem for that, and number system and PNC. So here you need conceptual clarity, you have to do lots of practice, and you need someone जिसके साथ you can discuss the method कि भाई मेरा डाउट है सर, मेरा डाउट है, why not this, why only one statement is required, not either, both, and a trick for statement based questions and other part also. So here on an average I will say 2 hours for you. आपको भी 2 घंटा डेली देना ही पड़ेगा. But my observation is in the last 12 year of my teaching experience, ठीक है, category 1 they love their category so much they don't want to change. वो भाई मेहनत करके खुश ही नहीं है, उनको इतना प्यार है कैटेगरी 2 पे आना ही नहीं चाह रहे वो. कैटेगरी 3 दे आर सो ओवर कॉन्फिडेंट, सीसेट हमारा क्या बिगाड़ लेगा, तो उसकी वजह से फेल होते हैं वो. मैक्सिमम रिजल्ट आई गेट फ्रॉम कैटेगरी 2 स्टूडेंट एक्चुअली, दिस इज फैक्ट. बट आई वांट टू टेल कैटेगरी 3 स्टूडेंट that you have to give only 2 hours. CSET is not a problem for you, but at least give time to CSET. You will able to easily qualify. Okay, चलो category 1, category 2, category 3, ठीक है जी. Next thing, I think that I have discussed n number of time on YouTube also, or maybe you know, if you don't know, that we have 2 hour 120 minute and 80 question. So if we divide 120 minute by 80 question, calculation say 1.5 minute per question. बट इस कैलकुलेशन को हमें तोड़ना है, बिकॉज इसने काफी घर बर्बाद कर दिया. What happened with 1.5 minute? There is a pressure on your mind, and we are in hurry, and we are not giving adequate time to the question, and that's why we are doing carelessness. We are doing more mistake, more negative, and that's why we are not able to score 66 score. See here, even with 40 question, we can qualify CSET with calculation, I tell you. But let me complete the sentence. When I say 40 question, students सिर्फ 40 question पे ध्यान देते हैं. 40 question with 80% accuracy. That is very important. 80% accuracy means out of 40, minimum 32 question has to be correct. otherwise no. You can calculate 32 question per question, you get 2.5 marks, you will get 80 marks. 8 wrong, 8 into 2.5, 20 marks, 1/3 negative marking deducted, 6.66, so you score 73.3. And what is the advantage of this approach? You have to train your mind, and I will help you in each and every class. I will tell you no need to attempt all 80 questions. We will target less question. That is important. I will tell you. See here, you have to give message to your mind. It's all about mind game. आपको एक example भी बताऊंगा. That 120 minute 40 question, even per question 3 minute is okay. There is a candidate A, candidate B. He attempted 2 questions. Question number 1, question number 2, and he has given 1.5 minute, 1.5 minute. Chances that maybe both wrong. मैक्सिमम चांस ये होंगे कि दोनों के दोनों गलत होंगे क्योंकि नॉट गिवन एडिक्वेट टाइम. एंड इन मैथमेटिक्स क्वेश्चन एंड जीएस क्वेश्चन देयर इज अ डिफरेंस. दोज हु हैव गिवन अटेम्प्ट, हैव यू एवर फेस टाइम स्कैरिसिटी इन जीएस पेपर? जीएस में कभी टाइम कम पड़ा है? अगर पड़ा है तो मैं आपके चरण छू लूं. जीएस में 2 घंटे मोर देन एनफ है. भाई आता है, नहीं आता तो नहीं आता. यू हैव टू रीड द क्वेश्चन, आइदर यू नो और डोंट नो. Believe me, you read 10 times, what will happen? There is A, B, C, D. First reaction is you think answer is A. If you read for 2 more minutes, थोड़ी सी फीलिंग आएगी हाँ B है. 2 मिनट और देके देखना, दोबारा से A ना आए तो बताना मुझे. आपका माइंड कहेगा हाँ A ही अच्छा लग रहा है, A is still better. तो there is no problem of time in GS paper. और जितने भी तुक्के लगाने हैं उसके लिए यूपीएससी ने दे हैव गिवन ए सेपरेट पेपर जीएस. इफ यू वांट टू मेक एनी गेस वर्क, वी हैव ए सेपरेट पेपर फॉर यू, जनरल स्टडी पेपर. नेवर एवर पुट गेस वर्क इन मैथमेटिक्स क्वेश्चन. अच्छा मैं पूछ गया, हाउ मेनी ऑफ यू आर नॉट कंफर्टेबल विद हिंदी? हाँ, यू आस्क मी दैट. 2, 3, 4. फ्रॉम वेयर? Okay, that I can understand. Kerala. And you? Tamil Nadu. How you manage here in Old Rajnagar? Little bit. Okay, then it's fine. No, you can understand. Not at all. But till now, okay, everything is fine. You are from where? Why you Tamil people don't want to learn new language? Why you are so obsessed with your Tamil language? Toda. Anyways, I will come to Tamil. Then I will say I don't know any Tamil. Speak in Hindi with me. Either they will beat me. Anyways, so here candidate A solved 2 questions. For example, he has given 1.5 minute. When we don't give adequate time to question, chances that we get wrong answer. Guesswork, I tell you in mathematics, most of the time is wrong. So here 1.5 minute, chances that both wrong, or maybe 1 correct, 1 wrong. आपकी किस्मत इतनी अच्छी है, चलो 1 correct 1 wrong मान लेता हूं. 1 correct 1 wrong. What is your score? 2.5 marks, negative marking 0.833. Net result is 1.66. Whereas candidate B attempted only 1 question, given proper 3 minutes and got correct. Chances are very high when we give adequate time in mathematics question, chances are very high we will get correct answer. मैंने आपकी तरफ से भी बात कर ली कि चलो 1 correct 1 wrong भी मान लिया. Your score is 1.66. Here score is 2.5. Which is better? 2.5 is better. We see the idea is not attempting more question. Idea is avoiding mistake. Idea is avoiding mistake. देख लो आपके सामने. You attempt 80 question, 40 correct, 40 wrong. Better you attempt only 40, all 40 correct. This is a thing in percentile. Percentile में यही काम करता है. See here, I tell you in Indian society. आपको एक अच्छा एग्जांपल देता हूँ, then you will understand this. Have you seen in your family your parents or grandparents how many siblings they have? 8, 10 minimum. 2 digit भी चल रहा है कहीं पे. See what happened, ma'am, after independence. What happened? I tell you the story behind this. See, there used to be very high IMR, MMR. ठीक है, हेल्थ फैसिलिटी उतनी अच्छी नहीं थी. सो हियर पीपल दे यूज्ड टू गिव बर्थ टू 10 चाइल्ड, 12 चाइल्ड. 5 बचते थे, 6-7 खत्म हो जाते थे. सो देन देयर वाज ए टेंडेंसी टू हैव मोर किड्स, मोर किड्स. यू कैन सी योर पेरेंट्स, आस्क देम हाउ मेनी ब्रदर सिस्टर दे हैव. बोलेंगे 7-8 तो याद आ रहे हैं, बाकी पता नहीं. दे विल गिव दैट टाइप ऑफ रिस्पॉन्स. Then what happens, slowly and gradually health facility improve. कनेक्ट करूंगा मेरी टॉपिक के साथ, ठीक है. हेल्थ फैसिलिटी इंप्रूव, वी हैव कंट्रोल अवर IMR, MMR. 11 पैदा किए, 11 के 11 बच गए. इन 1980s एंड 90s पॉपुलेशन एक्सप्लोजन. ठीक है, पढ़ना ध्यान से, बड़े मजेदार है. तब भी अपनी पॉपुलेशन इतनी बढ़ रही है. सो हियर सेम हियर इन सीजन नाउअडेज. अभी ट्रेंड क्या है? 1 बच्चा 2 बच्चा. So here earlier 2013, 14, 15, 16, 17 you might have attempted 70, 80 question. चलता था. Like earlier family 10, 12 बच्चा, किसी का हाथ कट रहा है, किसी का पैर टूट रहा है, कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ रहा है. अभी क्या टाइम है? We have to target less question and we have to give proper care. Same here in Indian society. Every society, every family you can see 1 or 2 child and proper care. कोई हाथ लगा के दिखा दे अभी. Same thing here. We will go for less number of kids, but we will give proper care to each and every question. We will avoid negative. That is very important here. So इससे फायदा क्या होगा? That you just keep giving your mind daily. सुबह एक मैसेज देना कि we have to target 40 question. Then your mind will have a signal that we can give 3 minutes per question. ठीक है. So your mind will be calm. And if your mind is calm, tell me, there are 3 stages I tell you. One stage, you give test at your home. Having cold drink, chips. Cold drink में कुछ और भी डाला है. Must chill. अभी ऑनलाइन वैसे ही कर रहे होंगे. बारिश हो रही होगी, मम्मी पकोड़े ले आओ. ठीक है. दूसरी स्टेज, you give test at the institute. Third stage, you give test at UPSC center. Tell me where you get minimum score. UPSC. पक्का होगा 100%. And where you will get maximum score? When you give test at your home. Maybe proper you are giving 2 times. So it is, your mind is calm at home, but at UPSC exam you have anxiety. Exam pressure is there. तो दिमाग का खेल है. दिमाग को काम रखना है. एक एग्जांपल और देता हूँ. And I was preparing, I used to have public administration as optional. In prelims also. Prior to 2011, in prelims, there was no CSAT. There used to be GS and optional. Optional used to be of 300 marks. GS used to be of only 150 marks. Optional ज़्यादा heavy था. And like, there used to be one book, Lakshmikant. Not that one polity वाला जो आप पढ़ते हो. For public administration optional, that fellow has written wonderful book. Decade तक 120 में से in optional there used to be 120 question, each question of 2.5 marks for 20-30 years. मतलब उस बुक से ही 90-100 क्वेश्चन आते थे. 110 क्वेश्चन. And that like Bible for us, Gita for us, Quran for us. मतलब 20-20 रीडिंग कर लेते थे उस बुक की. And if you would have asked us कोमा कहाँ लगा है, वो भी पता था. मतलब we have crammed like anything. And I have done the same. But in 2005 and 6, there was a change in the trend. UPSC asked question from other book also. Robinson, management की एक book है, काफी स्टूडेंट ने पढ़ी होगी. And निकोलस हेनरी की एक बुक थी, पब्लिक पॉलिसी टाइप कुछ टाइटल था, निकोलस हेनरी, फॉरेन ऑथर. ठीक है. And my English is not good. It doesn't mean my Hindi is good. वो भी गोल है थोड़ा सा. ठीक है. I have covered each and everything. Lakshmikant and number of times. DD Vasu. सेंटर स्टेट रिलेशन डीडी बासु से पढ़ना, उससे अच्छा कहीं नहीं लिखा. आई टेल यू, wonderful coverage of center state relationship in DD Basu. Other books also I have, but I face problem with this Nicholas Henry book because of language, because of the English has been used over there. मेरे पास लगभग 3-4 महीने थे for my prelims exam, but that was a problem for me, Nicholas Henry. Then one day I made my mind calm. मैंने अपने mind को शांत किया. I thought, and even in that book, like entire book was not required, only 80 pages were important for the prelims exam. Then I thought daily I will read one page, then also I can manage. On one page there may be 200 words. I can refer dictionary for each and every bloody word. हर वर्ड मैं डिक्शनरी में भी रेफर कर लूंगा तो भी क्या होगा, एक दिन में एक पेज तो पढ़ सकता हूँ. एंड द रेस्ट थिंग आई हैव डन सो वंडरफुल. मतलब इतना अच्छा पढ़ा था, कोई मेरे से कंपटीशन नहीं करता था, क्वेश्चन नहीं पूछता था. जैसे मेरे फ्रेंड के साथ गेम खेलते थे, क्वेश्चन पूछना, जब तक मैं आंसर दूंगा तू पूछता रहेगा, भाग जाता था कि वो पूछता ही रहता था फिर, क्योंकि रट लिया था पूरा. बट वन डे like I thought 80 pages and I have more than 80 days with me, daily if I read one page I will able to do. तो मैंने माइंड को शांत किया. वो छोटा वाला टेबल यूज करते ना, बेड पे रखने वाला, फोल्डिंग वाला, वो रखा, निकोलस हेनरी एंड ऑक्सफोर्ड का मोटे वाला डिक्शनरी. आजकल तो यू हैव इन मोबाइल, बट आई हैव परचेज, 400 रुपए लगाए थे उस टाइम पे. ठीक है, प्रॉपर वहां पे साइड में ABCD ऐसा लगा. Any guess, like in how many days I have covered that Nicholas Henry? कुछ मतलब वाइल्ड गेस, कितने दिन? 40 days. 5 या 6 दिन लगे थे मुझे, या उससे भी कम टाइम लगा था. आई टेल यू, कितना भी बड़ा फॉरेन ऑथर हो, उसकी वोकैब में 40 वर्ड है गिनती के, एंड दे यूज टू रिपीट दिस 40 वर्ड्स अगेन एंड अगेन. 40 वर्ड के बाद उनकी वोकैब खत्म है, कितना भी बड़ा फॉरेन होता. आपको फैक्ट बता रहा हूं, व्हेन यू आर गोइंग टू रीड एनी नॉवल, एनी बुक, 40 वर्ड के बियॉन्ड उनकी डिक्शनरी ओवर टाइम. तो हियर स्टार्टिंग वन पेज आई हैव टेकन टाइम, आफ्टर दैट देयर इज merely repetition of the same word. तो इन like 4-5 days I have done this, and that attempt 120 क्वेश्चन, 117 क्वेश्चन का मुझे सोर्स पता था, यहां से उठ के आया. उस साल अगर 500 लोगों ने भी मेंस लिखा होता तो आई वाज इन. ठीक है. सो पॉइंट इज, क्या गेम है? माइंड को शांत रखने का खेल. दैट इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. सो हियर वी विल गिव मैसेज टू आवर माइंड that we can give 3 minutes or more than 3 minutes also per question. We have to give adequate time to question. Don't be in hurry. When you are in hurry, we do more carelessness. We will give proper time to per question actually. See, out of 40 question, believe me, there will be some question, maybe 10, where you can handle within 1 minute. कुछ तो ऐसे भी होंगे where short trick will work or any of the method will work, answer option will help. We can target within 1 minute. So even we can afford to give 4 minutes also. So make it a rule. Some question we try to solve in 1 minute. Certain question we try to solve in 2 minutes. Even if it is required 4 minutes, you have to give time up to 4 minutes also. Okay. Next thing. When we will look on a question, there will be two reactions. Yes, I know this concept. No, I don't have any idea about this question. Now, what is very important, rather than attempting the question, you have to take a quick decision about that leaving the question. ये ज्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट है, क्वेश्चन को छोड़ना ज्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट है आज के दिन. बट उतने ही छोड़ने, सारे नहीं छोड़ने. बदल 80 के 80 छोड़ दिया हमने. So you will have two response, yes or no. No तो वैसे नहीं कर पाएंगे. Obviously we don't know that concept, we have to skip it. In years, there will be two reactions. I can manage within 4 minutes. No, it will require 7-8 minutes, yeah, 6 minutes and all. Here, you have to skip this question also. We have to leave this question. Don't attempt. I tell you, we Indian have one problem. We are emotional fool. पता नहीं क्वेश्चन से क्या लगाव हो जाता है, शायद क्वेश्चन को बुरा लग रहा है, उस चक्कर में टॉक्सिक रिलेशन चल ही जा रहा है. भाई जितना जल्दी ना बोलोगे उतना सुखी रहो. You have to say no quickly. I met n number of students. They told me, sir, ये बात याद रखी थी, तुरंत नहीं हो रहा था, तुरंत छोड़ा. Within 5 seconds, 10 seconds, 15 seconds, नहीं. And we have moved on. We went for the entire paper. Otherwise, if you spend more time here, I have seen question paper of n number of students. I have seen last 4 pages. They have not even see those pages. उनको देख भी नहीं पाए 4 pages को. Attempt करने की तो दूर की बात है. Make sure all of the manageable question which you can manage, you have to attempt. If you spend time for a difficult question, it means you are compensating time of easy question. अगर आप डिफिकल्ट क्वेश्चन में ज्यादा टाइम लगाओगे, आप इजी क्वेश्चन को इग्नोर करोगे, छूटेंगे लास्ट में. ओके, even we know the question but still we feel it is time consuming, it required 7 to 8 minutes. And with practice, when you give test, when you solve that 500 to 700 question booklet, you will be fast in this, and you need this behavioral change in you. Now CSAT is not only about teaching, you need a behavioral change in you. कितना जल्दी आप ना बोलोगे क्वेश्चंस को which you are not able to manage within 4 minutes. And how can take decision कि 4 मिनट लगेंगे कि 4 मिनट से ज्यादा लगेंगे? With practice. अच्छा, एक चीज और, before prelims we have to practice 6000 to 8000 question for GS paper. यही है ना, MCQs इतने प्रैक्टिस तो करने पड़ेंगे. Now for CSAT also minimum 4000 question you have to practice before your prelims exam. Then only you will be fast. Then only you can take a quick decision to leave the question which is more time consuming. Then only you will able to manage the paper in your exam. Then only you can overcome your anxiety. Then only, like here, if any unforeseen situation will be there, you will able to manage in the examination. Next is, I tell you the trend till date and I tell you the future trend also in CSAT. See here, let me tell you, we have aptitude everywhere. Sometimes there are demand going on to remove the CSAT. Believe me, I don't think so. Because all the competitive exam, they have aptitude in any form. Even CSAT was there before CSAT also. CSAT पहले भी था. In GS paper, in out of 150 question, 15-16 question, they used to ask from aptitude. जब ऑप्शनल हुआ करता था इन प्रीलिम्स, इन जीएस पेपर ओनली दे यूज्ड टू आस्क एप्टीट्यूड क्वेश्चन. In any of the form, maybe like they will add the marks of aptitude or aptitude is qualifying, but believe me, aptitude will be there. And even up to school level पे aptitude आ चुका है. All the competitive exam is having aptitude. But here requirement is different. That we have to understand. How come CSAT is different from banking? CSAT, even in the changing trend also, how it is different from CAT, or what is the similarity in CAT and CSAT, that also I will tell you based on 2023 paper. We have aptitude for banking exam where we have bank PO, bank clerk post, clerical post. PO भी clerk post है, कहने के लिए PO है वो. See, what is the job nature? Clerical job. So here you will find quantitative questions are more, formula based questions are more, where calculation required, that type of questions are more. If any one of you have given bank PO, bank clerk, you can check. Because the job requirement is the same. They are looking for a clerk. SSC, CGL level. If any one of you have given or planning to give, I tell you it is a mixture. Starting 15-20 year, it is a clerical post. After that, you will be promoted as IRS if you are in income tax or like that good and service tax department. Or maybe in any of the department, you are sectional officer, then you will be promoted as IAS. वो भी 20, 25, 30 साल के बाद रिटायरमेंट के टाइम पे बस आपके नाम के आगे IRS और IAS लग जाता है. So that's why you will find the nature of the exam is mix. यहाँ पे आपको क्वांटिटेटिव बेस्ड क्वेश्चन भी लगेंगे, रीजनिंग वाले, एनालिटिकल, थिंकिंग बेस्ड क्वेश्चंस भी मिलेंगे. But whereas CSAT, it is clearly mentioned civil services aptitude test. और जो इन्होंने अभी रिप्लाई लिखा है अनफेयर CSAT जो केस चल रहा है, उसमें भी मेंशन किया है कि वी हैव एक्सपर्ट टीम जो रिक्वायरमेंट को फुलफिल करने के लिए क्वेश्चन बनाते हैं. व्हाट इज द रिक्वायरमेंट? सिविल सर्विसेज के लिए एप्टीट्यूड टेस्ट इज द रिक्वायरमेंट. So that's why that is a strong instruction to the team that you have to make question where reasoning is required. And see here, paper देख लो, formula की ज्यादा जरूरत नहीं. We need only basic formula for CSET. आप ये नहीं कह सकते कि ये फॉर्मूला क्यों यूज हो रहा है, आप कह रहे हो फॉर्मूला नहीं यूज होना चाहिए. डिस्टेंस इक्वल टू स्पीड इनटू टाइम. यार ये तो 7th 8th स्टैंडर्ड का फॉर्मूला है. इट इज रिक्वायर्ड एट ऑल. ठीक है, बेसिक फॉर्मूलाज के अलावा वी डोंट नीड हाई फाई फॉर्मूलाज इन CSET. कैलकुलेशन नॉट रिक्वायर्ड. Do you need calculator for that paper? कहाँ है calculation? You have to apply your mind. You have to think about that statement based question. Okay, and you need conceptual clarity. So we have to understand it. This is civil services aptitude test. CAT is different game. But in case of, what is the similarity in CAT and CSAT? Difficulty level. Now in 2023, as far as the difficulty level is concerned, it is matching with CAT. एक दो क्वेश्चन आ गए वहां से. But the point is, I can say, one student asked me, sir, can we do one thing? We can refer the sources from where UPSC is picking the question and we can do those questions from the websites and all. I tell you, there are 100 different websites. And on each website, there are 1,000 questions. I will not advise this because you will practice 1 lakh questions still. Only 1 or 2 question will exactly same. Only 1 or 2 question will be exactly same. Even what we do when we have to frame question for our test or test series, we pick the question from this website, we reframe question, उसको हम CSET का रूप देते हैं, and they are doing the same. वो भी यही है, हर कोई यही करेगा. Like there is a question, we convert that question in a statement based question. In CAT you will not get statement based question. That is the problem with CAT. In difficulty level it is same, but the question style is totally different. Other than 2-3 questions, सिर्फ 2-3 question छोड़ दो. Other than all the questions are different from CAT in their format, in their form. But in difficulty level, yes, they are making paper difficult up to an extent, up to CSET, up to a CAT level. Now next thing is, what is the trend? And they have adopted something from GS paper also. उन्होंने कुछ चीजें GS से भी adopt की है for CSET paper. Like if you check GS paper prior to 2005, they used to ask one-liner or factual question. 2005 से पहले का पेपर उठा के देखो, सीधा सीधा sports, personality, one-liner question, like what we have in SSC these days. 2005 से पहले UPSC का पेपर भी बिल्कुल SSC लेवल था. But now here we have conceptual question in GS paper. Same thing you can see in CSET. CSET में we have more conceptual question where conceptual clarity is required. Second thing is multiple statement or statement based question. GS में भी तो statement है. There are not 100 question. Believe me, we have more than 200 question. Because each question have 2 statement or more than 2 statement in GS paper. Same thing we have. 18 to 19 question are statement based. Time and work भी पूछना, वो भी statement based के form में पूछेंगे. Now the future trend is, there is no surprise if you get 24 to 25 questions are statement based in 2024. But in statement based you will find all different topics are covered. Time and work का भी statement based question मिलेगा. Blood relation, yes, they have asked statement based questions. Number ranking, statement based questions. ठीक है, direction sense, statement based questions. All different topics, statement based questions. There is no surprise. That is the trend. Next is third topic is multi-topic. Have you seen GS? I used to teach mapping geography part. तो geography मैंने देखा एक statement physiography से, एक statement current affairs से. One statement physiography, one from drainage or river system. Two subtopic or two different topic altogether. One from places is in news and one from physiography. Same thing you can see in CSET. They have increased this. They are asking topic mix. दो topic से question मिलके आ रहा. This time they ask one question from calendar. And student they have studied calendar, वो आंखें खुले रह गए. Because they asked today is Sunday, what day will be there after 10 is to power 10th day. 10 की power 10. So it is a mix of calendar plus remainder theorem. So you have to be comfortable with calendar, you have to be comfortable with remainder theorem, and you have to apply concept of multi-topic. That is the trend in CSET. Some student they say, काफी student मिले, बोला सर English is okay, I will manage 22 questions. तो मुझे सर 12 क्वेश्चन और चाहिए या 15 क्वेश्चन चाहिए. आई नीड 12-15 क्वेश्चन मोर टू क्वालिफाई दिस CSET पेपर. तो टेल मी फ्रॉम एप्टीट्यूड और रीजनिंग, फ्रॉम क्वांट और रीजनिंग, वेयर आई कैन प्रैक्टिस 12 to 15 क्वेश्चन. Believe me, if you want to target only 12 or 15 questions, still you have to cover the entire syllabus. If I tell you number system, you get 18 question. फैक्ट है. अब तो 24 क्वेश्चन है. Still you cannot manage all question. क्योंकि पहली चीज तो क्या है कि if you are asking me this question that I'm selective, पहली चीज तो understood you are not good in math. अगर मैथ में अच्छे होते आप ये क्वेश्चन पूछते ही नहीं. ये तो कॉमन सेंस है. मैंने उसको बोला भाई मैथ में अच्छा नहीं, बोला सर बिल्कुल सही है. तो इट मींस यू आर नॉट दैट मच कंफर्टेबल दैट यू कैन टारगेट ऑल 18 क्वेश्चन. Out of 18 question, believe me, 3 or 4 question आते हुए भी you cannot do, because that will require 8 minutes. You cannot afford to give 8 minutes per question. That will be very difficult. And nearly 3-4 question you get from other topic also. Not only purely number system, it will be number system plus other topic. You have to do other topic also. And some question will be statement based question where conceptual clarity is must. So you cannot be selective in any of the topic in your preparation. Category 1, category 2, category 3, you have to cover each and every topic. But you have to be good in strategy while attempting your paper, which question you have to skip. That is very important. Okay. So here, this is the trend you can see. Conceptual question. GS में conceptual question है. Multiple statement based question we have in CSET, multi topic questions. Now in statement based question मैं आपको future trend बताता हूँ. More or less they used to ask question where 2 statements are given. Statement 1 alone sufficient, statement 2 alone, either both or neither nor type. Future trend is 3 statement or multiple statement questions will be there. If there will be 20 question, I can tell you 7-8 question will be 3 or more than 3 statement, and 12 or 13 question will be 2 statement based question. ये future trend है statement based questions का. Okay. Any doubt from your side? कोई भी चीज आप डिस्कस करना चाह रहे हैं?
Ideal number कितना होना चाहिए?
40 to 50 question. Here there is a doubt. What are the ideal number of question which we have to attempt? 40 to 50 question with 80% accuracy. I tell you strongly, don't attempt more than 50 question in any of the case. 50 से ज्यादा क्वेश्चन करने का कोई फायदा ही नहीं है. क्वालिफाई तो करना है. If paper will be easy, then also you will able to qualify with 50 question. If it will be difficult, then 40-50 question only. That strategy will help you. More number of question will not help in both the cases. Number तो वैसे भी नहीं जुड़ने CSET के. That's why attempting more question is not advisable. See here, 40 to 50 question. Never attempt more than 50 question, and don't go below 40 also. Minimum 40, maximum 50. But with 80% accuracy. You have to avoid mistake. Hanji, any other doubt? कोई डाउट ही नहीं है. hanji, क्लासेस जनवरी में भी होंगी, थीम बेस्ड क्लासेस 12 के करीब क्लासेस होंगी. यू विल बी इन्फॉर्म्ड, ठीक है, इन एडवांस. दिसंबर या जनवरी में हो सकती है. आपको फोन आ जाएगा इंस्टीट्यूट की तरफ से. यू विल बी इन्फॉर्म्ड. And we will create one Telegram group also. Deliberately I keep that classes later because you have to learn the concept. You have to have a comfort zone. मतलब वहां पे मेरी expectation क्या है? Everyone has to be category 3 student. ज्यादा ही हो जाएंगे. मतलब उसमें क्या है ना, थीम बेस्ड लेक्चर में मतलब हम घोड़े पे दौड़ेंगे. अगर आप वो स्पीड नहीं मैच कर पाओगे ना, घुटने छिल जाएंगे फिर बस। तो आई वांट दैट, आई नीड दैट टाइम कि आपको सीखना है। देन यू विल बी एट ए स्टेज वेयर वी हैव ए डिस्कशन, वेयर वी कैन वर्क ऑन द एडवांस थिंग्स, दैट इज दैट। हाँ जी। Home assignment, yes. Like either you get hard copy or we will share soft copy. You will get home assignment. ठीक है? या कुछ मैं आपको ही recommend करूँगा. Like here some topic series. I will refer some book or website. क्या? I will refer. कि इस टॉपिक के लिए ये बुक पढ़ सकते हो. अच्छा, बुक से आया. There is no good book on CSET in market. This is irony of fact, but there is no good book. क्या हुआ जब CSET आया था? Some people from banking background, some people from CAT background, they come up with the same material, but they have written CSET. कुछ ने थोड़ा और दिमाग लगाया, कुछ बैंकिंग का लिया, कुछ कैट का लिया, मिलके एक CSET का बच्चा पैदा कर दिया. देख लो कहीं स्टेटमेंट बेस्ड क्वेश्चन है किसी भी मटेरियल में, गो एंड चेक. चेक करने के तो नहीं पैसे ले रहे ना ओल्ड राजेंद्र नगर बुक सेलर. बुक लो, फ्लिप करो, चेक. Any of the book can show you statement based question. I tell you, they will show you the question which is already asked by UPSC in previous year. Other than that, you will not get a question on statement based question in the market. Then what we will do? इसका solution क्या है? You will get material from institute. That is one thing. Second thing is, I don't mind to recommend. मैं इससे better ये बोलता हूँ कि like coachings they are really doing good. So you can take tests of other coaching. वो किताब से वो ज्यादा बेटर है. एटलीस्ट यू गेट ए पेपर ऑफ CSET. बैंकिंग का नहीं होगा वो. तो इफ यू नीड, यू विल गेट more question from my side, that will be sufficient. But if you need more question for practice, so you can take some tests in the market from other institute which you can practice at home. वो कर लेना, भले 20 टेस्ट लगा लेना. That will be more beneficial as compared to referring any book which is a banking or CAT. तो ये तो प्रॉब्लम है, बुक तो नहीं है मार्केट में. एनी अदर डाउट? ऑनलाइन के भी डाउट ले लेता हूँ. सर वंस यू सेड RS अग्रवाल इज गुड. अच्छा, ऐसा क्या? उस दिन मेरे को कुछ पार्टी दी होगी RS अग्रवाल ने. GS प्रिपरेशन विद 3-4 आवर CSET. कुमार गौरव का बहुत जेन्युइन डाउट है. ऑप्शनल नहीं लिखा आपने. हाउ मेनी डेज क्लासेस आर हाउ? ठीक है जी, वीकली 5 क्लासेस. वीकली 5 क्लासेस मंडे टू फ्राइडे. पहले वीक में 1-2 दिन का ऑफ मिल जाएगा, कोई दिक्कत नहीं, क्योंकि बेसिक करना है इस वीक में. सर टाइम मैनेजमेंट इन CSET पेपर इज प्रॉब्लम. यस. Writing test we will update you. Let's see if we will have space, we will allow you for test, you can come, but we have to check that. अच्छा, अभी क्या डाउट था? एक RS अग्रवाल की. देखो, RS अग्रवाल इज ए गुड बुक फॉर वन डे एग्जाम टाइप ऑफ थिंग. कांस्टेबल, ठीक है, बैंक PO. For some topic, yes, I recommend series, coding, decoding, character puzzle wala. But if you don't want to purchase RS Agarwal, I recommend some website also where there you will get content. But RS Agarwal is not good for CSET at all. कहाँ है वहाँ? स्टेटमेंट बेस्ड क्वेश्चन नहीं है. नंबर सिस्टम के दैट क्वेश्चन, व्हाट टाइप ऑफ क्वेश्चन UPSC is asking, you will not get in RS Agarwal. Just for reference, if you have done mistake, like if you have purchased any of the book, keep it. रद्दी वाले को मत बेचना. Maybe Arihant you have purchased. कईयों ने टाटा मैग्रा हिल का या मैग्रा हिल का मैनुअल खरीदा होगा. These are the only option available in the market ना. You keep that book with you. For some of the topic when I will recommend, you can refer that book for those topic only. Or for basic question, basic practice you can do. But for CSET level question, you have to do extra practice. That is the issue with RS Agarwal. क्लास स्ट्रक्चर, वहां पे एक ब्रोचर अपलोड हुआ होगा, उसमें मोरलेस क्लास का एक स्ट्रक्चर मेंशन है. नंबर सिस्टम, परसेंटेज, GMA. तो ऑनलाइन स्टूडेंट्स के लिए आई थिंक अपलोडेड है. नहीं है तो आई विल आस्क द स्टाफ टू अपलोड. हाँ जी, एनी अदर डाउट? हाँ जी. PYQ का आई विल गिव यू रिकॉर्डेड लेक्चर. आपको ऑफलाइन वालों को भी उसका एक्सेस मिल जाएगा. PYQ रिकॉर्डेड. एंड व्हाट आई डू जनरली व्हेन आई टीच टॉपिक, उसके PYQ क्लास के साथ साथ बीच में कराता रहता हूँ, स्पेशली 2021, 22, 23 जो ज्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट है. द रेस्ट यू विल गेट एज ए रिकॉर्डेड लेक्चर फ्रॉम माय साइड. फिर हम क्या करेंगे, जैसे जैसे सिलेबस होता जाएगा, वी विल हैव ए डाउट सेशन ऑन दैट. PYQ, yes, you will get. Anji, any other doubt? How to use ICSE और NCERT book for category 1 student? Yes, पहले उनको खरीदना है, फिर उनको खोलना है, 6 स्टैंडर्ड से नंबर सिस्टम पढ़ना है, फिर 7 स्टैंडर्ड से नंबर सिस्टम, फिर 8 स्टैंडर्ड से नंबर सिस्टम. Same thing we have to repeat for percentage. Percentage from 6th standard, percentage from 7th standard, percentage from 8th standard. So ratio and proportion, average. अच्छा, मैं आपको ये बता दूं, there are 4 pillars of aptitude: number system, percentage, ratio and proportion, average. I think all of you have seen tractor. Tractor सबने देखा होगा ना. तो aptitude के 4 पिलर इज लाइक व्हील्स ऑफ ट्रैक्टर. जो ट्रैक्टर के पहिए है ना, उसकी तरह. कैन यू हैव यू सीन द आगे के 2 पहिए पतले कमजोर, पीछे के 2 पहिए भारी भरकम. द रियर व्हील्स ऑफ ट्रैक्टर्स आर इंपॉर्टेंट. ऐसा नहीं कि पहले वाले नहीं इंपॉर्टेंट, बट पिछले वाले ज्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट है. तो द नंबर सिस्टम एंड परसेंटेज इज लाइक द पिछला पहिया ऑफ ट्रैक्टर. These two are very important pillar of aptitude: number system and percentage. Ratio and proportion and average like front wheel of tractor. अब मुझे लग रहा है यूपीएससी वालों ने रोड रोलर बना दिया. वो नंबर सिस्टम जो है वो आगे वाला उनका लोहे वाला पहिया है, बाकी सब उसके बिना ही चल रहा है जिस हिसाब से वो चल रहे हैं. लाइक dictation of question will be taken down or handout of the questions provided when in advance. Yes, handout will be provided in advance. Dictation में time waste हो जाएगा. कुछ अच्छे क्वेश्चन होंगे then I dictate in the class, otherwise only we provide the handout in advance. It will be uploaded on portal. For offline student we give hard copy. We will not waste time for each and every question in dictating the question. It will be wastage of time. We will not dictate each and every question in the class. ऑनलाइन वाले ज्यादा डाउट पूछ रहे हैं, पैसे तो ऑफलाइन वालों ने भी दिए. कुछ और डाउट, कुछ भी पूछना पूछ लो आज. कोई भी डाउट आ रहा है? अच्छा, एक चीज है, दिस कैटेगरी 3 स्टूडेंट दे डू मोर केयरलेसनेस. वो ज्यादा गलतियां करते हैं बिकॉज ओवर कॉन्फिडेंस. अच्छा, व्हाट इज केयरलेसनेस? लेट मी डिस्कस विद यू. आप केयरलेसनेस से क्या समझते हैं? एनी वन ऑफ यू? हाँ जी. वो तो रीजन ऑफ द केयरलेसनेस हो गया. केयरलेसनेस है क्या? केयरलेसनेस इज व्हेन यू नो द थिंग स्टिल यू आर गेटिंग रॉन्ग आंसर. कंसेप्ट पता होते हुए भी, इफ यू डोंट नो द कंसेप्ट, दैट इज नॉट केयरलेसनेस. वो तो आता ही नहीं है. आते हुए भी गलती करना, दैट इज कॉल्ड केयरलेसनेस. You know the concept, still you get wrong answer. Now you have to participate. Let me see how many different reasons you can give for carelessness. What are the reason for carelessness? एक आपने दिया क्या? प्रैक्टिस कम हुई है. फास्ट, ओवर कॉन्फिडेंस. फास्टनेस मतलब इन हरी, जल्दी जल्दी में. लाइक 67 प्लस 23 100 लिख देना. होता है कई बार. माइनस प्लस मल्टीप्लीकेशन में वी डू बेसिक कैलकुलेशन मिस्टेक. हाँ जी, एनी अदर डाउट? कुछ और केयरलेसनेस के और क्या रीजन हो? सिली मिस्टेक, ठीक है. एनी अदर थिंग फ्रॉम द लास्ट साइड, बालकनी में जो बैठे हैं? क्या कर लेते? ज्यादा अटेम्प्ट कर, ओवर अटेम्प्टेशन. एक तो पीछे से भी आना चाहिए. लैक ऑफ डिसिप्लिन. हाँ, नॉट रीडिंग द क्वेश्चन प्रॉपरली, दैट इज ऑल्सो वन ऑफ द गुड रीजन फॉर केयरलेसनेस. क्वेश्चन ही नहीं अच्छे से पढ़ा, नोट नहीं देखा, नोट मिस हो गया, नोट करेक्ट. यस. एनी अदर रीजन फॉर केयरलेसनेस? OMR. यस, वेरी गुड. आप कर चुके हैं गलती. That's why strongly like here online students say sir आप पोर्टल पे टेस्ट क्यों नहीं कराते? I told them the moment UPSC go online I will go online. Because I have seen student when they do practice on portal, they do mistake in OMR filling. So we will upload test as a PDF, OMR as a sample copy we have done. So you have to take print out of the OMR and you have to bubble that circle. Because some student they do that mistake. Any other? Even like you know the concept, still you are getting wrong answer. What can be the reason for this?
Not giving forward.
मतलब like here if question is required 3 minutes as per our calculation we try to solve in 2 minutes. तो जल्दीबाजी हो गया, हरीनेस हो गया, not reading question properly, and there are a number of factors. Let me tell you what this carelessness cost you other than 1 year. वो बात हो चुकी है. उसके अलावा 2.5 marks which you would have got if you would have marked correct answer. What is this? Reward of that negative plus time 2 to 3 minutes. ये 3 मिनट लगा के भी गलत आंसर लाए हो, 3 मिनट बचा ही लेते. तो you never calculate the time cost also. Merely 3 question if you can convert from wrong to correct, which you actually know. You don't need new concept. You know the concept, but you are getting wrong answer because you have done carelessness. Just convert 3 question from wrong to correct. And let me tell you, carelessness is a disease which is common in everyone. I also have, you also have. But the problem is degree. हर कोई पागल है, but वो डिग्री कितने डिग्री का पागल है टाइप. See here, everyone, yes, it is a common thing. Category 3 student they do more careless क्योंकि वो बड़ी ओवर कॉन्फिडेंट है, जल्दीबाजी में है. ये फैक्ट है. कैटेगरी 3 स्टूडेंट दे डू मोर केयरलेसनेस. कैटेगरी 1 दे डू मिनिमम केयरलेसनेस. वो बेचारे संभल संभल के चलते हैं, एक एक पैर बिल्कुल ऐसा रखते हैं टिका के. So here if you can convert 3 question which you have done carelessness incorrect, our task will be to minimize carelessness. Here per question you will get 3.33 extra marks. 2.5 that is a score for that question minus 0.833 which you have got a negative marking. You can control it. So here 3 question give you 10 marks extra. If your score is 63 then your score will be 73. 10 marks की कीमत तुम क्या जानो रमेश बाबू. एक एक मार्क्स पूछ के देखो. जिसका 65.84 आया है सीसेट में, just ask them. Every marks is very important. Don't be दानवीर कर्ण. ठीक है, एक नंबर से क्या फर्क पड़ रहा है, 1 साल लग जाएगा. So here even a single question you can convert from wrong to correct by controlling carelessness. You gain 3.33 extra marks. 3 question. So our task will be to minimize carelessness. And I will tell you how to read a question. जो करते हैं generally, you can keep pencil in your hand or pen in your hand. You have to underline the important part of the question. We will do that exercise also so that we can give a proper time to the question where we try to control this carelessness. और कुछ? ये तो सब कुछ हो गया. अब आपसे बात करता हूँ. Tomorrow like we will have class on number system, very basic class. बिल्कुल बेसिक से पढ़ाऊंगा. नेचुरल नंबर, प्राइम नंबर, व्हाट इज द डेफिनेशन ऑफ प्राइम नंबर. तो कुछ ऐसा नंबर सिस्टम से आई विल स्टार्ट. ठीक है.
Permutation and combination.
परमुटेशन एंड कॉम्बिनेशन एप्टीट्यूड में डराने के काम आता है. अच्छा, यू आर आस्किंग व्हाट इज द डिफरेंस इन परमुटेशन एंड कॉम्बिनेशन, बट यू नो परमुटेशन वो भी नहीं पता है कि टॉपिक है क्या. लाइक दिस आर द पीपल 3, 6, 8. इन हाउ मेनी डिफरेंट वेज दिस कैन सिट ऑन दिस चेयर. आप बोलोगे आज ये यहाँ बैठे, कल यहाँ भी बैठ सकते हैं. तो देर आर डिफरेंट वेज दे कैन सिट. There are 5 boys and 3 girls. तो in how many different ways 5 boys and 3 girls can sit on 8 chair? So you have to see different combination, permutation, मतलब different ways. Like there can be alternatively boy girls also. There can be 2 boys, 2 girls and 1 girl in the last. So this is come in permutation combination. Like in a bag there are 10 marble, 5 red, 5 green. You have to pick 2 marble. So here in how many different ways you can pick 1 red and 1 green out of that. So these are come under permutation combination. And there are different things. How many different words? What's your name? Mehak. So like here, in how many different ways the letter of the word Mehak be arranged? जैसे आपका नाम है M से स्टार्ट है, अगली बार मैं A से स्टार्ट कर दूं तो वो डिफरेंट वेज आ गया. दैट इज परमुटेशन कॉम्बिनेशन का दायरा बहुत बड़ा है. So these are just example कि permutation and combination में किस तरह के क्वेश्चंस आते हैं. Like this time they ask a question like 4 टेस्ट थे 99% स्कोर होना चाहिए, तो in how many different ways a person would have scored. एक क्वेश्चन था आपकी बार, a batsman scored 25 रन, he can score single 4 और 6. वो या तो सिंगल करेगा या 4 मारेगा या 6 मारेगा. In how many different ways he can score 25 स्कोर. आप बोलोगे 4 छक्के 1 सिंगल, आप बोलोगे चलो 3 छक्के 1 चौका फिर सिंगल या इस तरह से. यू मेक डिफरेंट परमुटेशन कॉम्बिनेशन इन योर माइंड. वो कितने डिफरेंट तरीकों से कैन स्कोर 25 रन. दिस कम अंडर परमुटेशन कॉम्बिनेशन एंड मेनी मोर थिंग्स. एनी अदर डाउट? हाँ जी. और उस कंफ्यूजन में काफी सारे क्वेश्चन में टाइम स्पेंड हो चुका होता है. See here, this is the problem we have in aptitude. GS में taking a decision to skip question is very easy. You know, you don't know. In mathematics, the problem is until unless we try that question, how we can decide that we know that question or don't, or how much time it is required. Okay. So here I will tell you there are two approaches. One approach is see. This is the depth of your concept you have. What we do in our classes, we will increase the depth of our concept. Uske baad only we will exercise that thing. Otherwise it is not going to work. Rather than a positive, we will go with a negative attitude. In the sense, negative in the attitude in the sense, we read a question, we think कि ये मेरे से 3-4 मिनट में मैनेज हो रहा है, I know this or not. But अगर आपकी conceptual clarity नहीं होगी, if you have a shallow knowledge, then every question you will नहीं मेरे से नहीं होगा, then you would able to attempt only 10-15 question. आपकी attemptation बहुत कम रहेगी. But if you have a clarity of each and every topic, if you have done 4,000 questions, then you will have more clarity and you will go up to a depth. आपकी depth बढ़ चुकी होगी concept. Then we read a question. If it is 1% doubt, किसी भी क्वेश्चन में अगर डाउट 1% भी कि नहीं होगा या टाइम ज्यादा लेगा, we skip. Then we will pick only those questions which are in our comfort zone. अगर if you will not have a depth, then you get only 15 question of your comfort zone. अगर आपकी डेप्थ कम होगी, आपको 15 ही क्वेश्चन मुश्किल से ऐसे मिलेंगे where you can manage it. कहते हैं ना पहली रीडिंग में मैंने वो क्वेश्चन किए where I was 100% confirm. Same thing. What we used to do in GS, you do first reading. Some students they make a strategy. In first reading, they do only those questions where they are 100% confirm. Same thing we will do in CSAT. In the first reading, but first you should have a depth of the concept in your preparation. You do 4,000 question practice, then you will be in a stage. We will do only first stage type, that we will do only those questions which are in our comfort zone. जहां पे भी 1% भी doubt है, quickly skip, because we have to save our time. Then we will check roughly, like in 1 hour, how many questions we have managed. 20. Still you have a paper to do. Then okay, 30 हो गया, ठीक है. अगर लगेगा कि like here one level of reading has not given us adequate question, means minimum 40 question, then we will take a risk. फिर हम थोड़ा risk लेना शुरू करेंगे. बट उस स्टेज पे नहीं जाएंगे. वी विल हैव मोर कंसेप्चुअल डेप्थ. वी विल प्रैक्टिस 4000 क्वेश्चन सो दैट we will, if there will be single doubt, we will skip that question. We have to save time. ऐसा ना हो कि लाइक एक्सपेरिमेंट करने में 2-2 मिनट लगाने में, ऐसा हुआ है काफी स्टूडेंट के साथ, लाइक 15 क्वेश्चंस में दे हैव वेस्टेड 30 मिनट, मियरली वेस्टेड, एंड देन दे गॉट पैनिक. पहला क्वेश्चन किया 2 मिनट लगा दी, कोई रिजल्ट नहीं आया, क्विकली सेकंड क्वेश्चन ट्राई किया, 2 मिनट उसमें भी लगा के देखे, वहां पे भी नहीं सॉल्व हुआ, देन दे ट्राइड थर्ड क्वेश्चन, दे ट्राइड फोर्थ, फिफ्थ, देन पैनिक सिचुएशन. And the moment there is a panic situation, then the easy questions also we are not able to handle. वो पैनिक सिचुएशन अवॉइड करने, वी हैव टू अवॉइड इट. उसके लिए सबसे बेस्ट क्या होता है, इन 1 आवर इफ यू कैन स्कोर ए गुड एडुकेट नंबर ऑफ क्वेश्चंस और ए स्कोर. पहले आवर में अगर 50 की रेंज में अपने आप को ले जाओगे ना, सेम लाइक टेस्ट सीरीज, सॉरी टेस्ट मैच. इफ यू नो अबाउट क्रिकेट, टेस्ट मैच में जैसे पहले इनिंग में ही आपने इतना टारगेट दे दिया सामने वाले को, लाइक ओके वो अंडर प्रेशर आ जाए. तो सेम हियर वी ब्रेक टाइम इन 2 आवर, 1 आवर एंड सेकंड आवर. तो इन 1 आवर इफ देयर इज अ डाउट इन एनी ऑफ द क्वेश्चन इज स्किप. तो वी ट्राई टू गेट 50 मार्क्स इन फर्स्ट आवर, 40 to 50. मान लो अगर 20-22 क्वेश्चन कर लिए और जो आपके करेक्ट है आइदर फ्रॉम इंग्लिश और मैथ और फ्रॉम बोथ एरिया मिक्स, तो 50 स्कोर यहां से आ जाए. तो इन द सेकंड आवर देयर विल बी लेस प्रेशर ऑन यू, योर माइंड विल नॉट हैव ए पैनिक सिचुएशन. लेकिन अगर आपने उल्टा किया, पहले आवर में अगर आपने 20 स्कोर किया, आई गारंटी यू विल नॉट एबल टू स्कोर 50 मार्क्स इन सेकंड आवर. पहले आवर में टाइम नहीं वेस्ट करना है बिल्कुल भी. पहला आवर इज टू गेट ए कॉन्फिडेंस, अपने आप को स्ट्रॉन्ग रखना. यू हैव टू हैव ए कॉन्फिडेंस. कॉन्फिडेंस का भी बहुत खेल है सर. अगर पहले आवर में you have attempted 20 question by skipping and you got only 20 question in your comfort zone, you have scored 50, तो आपको एक रिलीफ होगा that I have to score only 20 or 25 extra marks. Then you can take a risk also. फिर आप रिस्क लेने की स्टेज में हो गए. पहले अगर रिस्क लेके you have wasted your 30 minute, then there will be a panic situation, and in panic सेकेंड आवर में वैसे ही पैनिक और बढ़ जाता है, एंग्जाइटी बढ़ जाती है. तो इजी क्वेश्चन भी नहीं टारगेट होते. So we have to target all the easy question from our paper in first hour. So in that case, if there will be single % doubt in any of the question, we skip in first hour. ये try करेंगे हम. Okay. Any other doubt? जब तक डाउट लो, some natural call. Give me 1 minute. ठीक है, तब तक आप सोचो. 1 मिनट दे दो मेरे को. हाँ जी, क्लास या परफॉर्मेंस से पहले ज्यादा पानी नहीं पीना चाहिए. Okay, I got your point. See, we break time 45 minute, ठीक है, next 45 minute and 30 minute. Never ever do mistake what many students they have done this year, that they tried only mathematics for 1 hour 30, 35, 40 minutes, and they have not touched the reading comprehension, and they found later reading comprehension was relatively manageable this year. See here, some of you are comfortable in math, some of you are comfortable in English, and no one here who is comfortable in both. ऐसा होता तो एडमिशन ना लेता. कॉमन सेंस. अगर दोनों में अच्छे होते तो नहीं आते, या दोनों में अच्छे नहीं है। आई हैव 3 कैटेगरी ऑफ स्टूडेंट, आइदर यू आर नॉट कंफर्टेबल इन मैथ, या इंग्लिश में कंफर्टेबल नहीं हो, या दोनों गोल। ज्यादातर 80% स्टूडेंट मेरे पास वो आते हैं जो मैथ में अच्छे नहीं है। नाउ हियर, हाउ मेनी ऑफ यू आर कंफर्टेबल इन इंग्लिश, गुड इन इंग्लिश पार्ट? So if you target 27 question, how many correct you will get out of 27? If you have given attempt already, 22 हो जाते हैं, ठीक है 18।
आंसर प्रेडिक्टेबल नहीं था।
तो हाथ तो नहीं खड़ा किया ना जब मैंने इंग्लिश में अच्छा पूछा।